Have you been told your B2B copy should always focus on benefits, not features? Probably because if you're a copywriter, it has practically been drilled into your head. Benefits, not features. Benefits, not features. Benefits, not features. But here's the thing. Following this rule too closely might actually be costing you leads, deals, and buyers. What if breaking that rule could be the key to writing copy that not only grabs attention, but converts like crazy? Today, I'm going to reveal why the features versus benefits debate isn't quite so black and white, and how breaking the rule the right way can transform your B2B copy. And I'm going to show you an example of a B2B company that has perfected this art. So stick around. Hello, I am Robin, your B2B marketing bestie, and I've spent over 15 years in marketing, hiring, managing, and editing copywriters, and I've served as a B2B copywriter myself for years. And I have seen firsthand how tweaking this one thing can make or break your results. First off, let me clarify, I am not here to throw shade on the whole focus on benefits thing. In fact, it's really solid advice in a lot of cases, but particularly in B2C marketing. So for example, if you're selling jeans, nobody cares about the stitching process. They just want to know that they're going to fit great and make their butt look amazing. But B2B is a whole different ballgame. B2B buyers are making logical, research-based decisions. And I'm not saying that their decision-making process is devoid of emotion, but it's not based solely on emotion the way a lot of B2C purchases are. So here's where a lot of copywriters go wrong. They focus only on benefits and forget that in some cases, features might actually be the deciding factor. In B2B, the sales cycle is longer, the stakes are higher, and your customers are vetting you very carefully along with your competitors. They're not just asking, how will I benefit? They're also asking, how will this product or service meet my specific needs? Say you have a cloud-based software, for example. Now, the feature is cloud-based, and the benefits are less servers to deal with, less hassle, and easier to scale maybe. But if the IT director that's scanning your site is specifically looking for the words cloud-based and you don't mention it, then they might just skip right over you. Or maybe you have a service-based business and maybe 24/7 support is one of the features of your service. The benefit is solving customer problems faster, of course, but if you only say, we deliver fast issue resolution, then your buyers may be asking, okay, but how? So if you simply say, you'll get 24/7 support, then your buyers will understand right away that you are going to be there for them. So sometimes the feature is the benefit. And then in B2B, sometimes the person doing the buying isn't even the end user. In some cases, it's somebody in the purchasing department that's just been handed a list by an engineer or a department head. So in this case, they're not asking, how will this make my life better? They are asking, does this meet the criteria? So you really need to understand who is my buyer and what do they need to see to close the deal. Now, I want to be clear, and this is really important. I am not trying to say you should only focus on features because in fact, I have seen the total opposite problem happen too. Some copywriters get so caught up in the features that they totally ignore the benefits. And let me tell you, that is a fast track to boring, lifeless copy that makes no impact. I have seen this happen a lot with product teams because they are immersed with the features all day long. And they might be really cool features to them. But if you only talk about yourself, your features, your specs, your cool tech, then you may be leaving your audience asking, okay, but how's this going to solve my problem? Let's take another example. Say you've got a payroll software, and instead of marketing to IT directors, you are marketing to an HR manager. They probably don't care about your back-end technology. They care that it's going to save them time and headaches. So make no mistake, the what's in it for me or with them is still king. And this brings me to my main point. It is not about features versus benefits and which is better. It's about knowing your audience. Who is actually making the purchase decision or influencing the purchase decision? And what do they need? What are they looking for? And this is the key to B2B copywriting, or any kind of copywriting really, understanding your audience and giving them what they need. Now, before we get into the fix for this problem, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and join our B2B community so you can keep getting practical B2B marketing tips that will help you grow your business. And let me know in the comments, do you focus on features, benefits, or both? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your take. All right, so how do you find the balance between features and benefits? Start by putting yourself in the buyer's shoes. Are they looking for certain buzzwords like cloud-based or customizable, or do they need to be sold on the benefits? The thing is, you don't have to choose between features and benefits. You can do both. Just make sure that you are emphasizing what really matters to your audience. Let's go through this example of how this B2B business is balancing features and benefits beautifully. So here we are on the Monday.com website. Monday.com is a project management software that helps teams stay organized. So this subhead that we see here on their website is a benefit, view data your way. And right above it though, they've got this eyebrow text. And fun fact, eyebrow text is the smaller text that you sometimes see above a subhead or a headline. So this eyebrow text says dashboard customization, which is a feature. And then they also back up the benefit even more with this copy that says build the reporting tools you need for your business with customizable no-code dashboards. Also the feature, right? So this is a great example of how to balance features and benefits, oftentimes for multiple audience. So while maybe an end user might care more about the benefits, the IT manager, say, might care more about the feature of no-code customizable dashboards, which is another great point. In B2B, there are multiple decision makers. And so while one might care more about features, one might care more about benefits. So you need to appeal to all of your buyers. So the biggest mistake that B2B copywriters often make is following these hard and fast rules that they've been fed, like we need to focus on benefits, instead of really focusing on their audience. So don't get stuck on features versus benefits. Instead, ask yourself, what does my buyer really need to know to make a decision? And when you get that right, your copy won't just inform, it'll convert. If you want to see some examples of great B2B copywriting, check out this video here. I walk you through 3 B2B websites that are really crushing it, and I go through exactly why they're so successful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe.